Hi there, Miss Gina here. I hope you guys are doing well. This is a junior ballet combination for today. It's a enchainment, or a combination for the center. So after you've done your stretches and bar work, this is a combination. So you'll begin with your right foot in the back, B+, present the arms front and side. We have balance front, balance back. Balance front, balance back. We tombe out, we do pas de bouree fifth, then prepare 1, 2, 3, rond de jambe, pirouette en dehors, and stretch up. Other side would be balance forward, then back, 2, 3, forward, back, 2, 3, tombe out, pas de bouree to your fifth, rond de jambe en dehors, here, pirouette outward, and finish nicely to here. Let's try that with the music. Your enchainment. Be sure when you practice it, you do both sides equally on the pirouette, holding your position, snapping the head for the en dehors pirouette. The second combination I have for you today has your glisse side, jete, pas de bouree, then echappe. So it should look like this. Right foot in front, left foot in front, right foot in the back. We have glide, jete, pas de bouree, echappe, and hold. Glide, jete, pas de bouree, echappe, and hold. Let's try that one with the music. Well done. Be sure when you practice that one that you stretch through, coming through fifth position, demi-plie each time. Our final thing is our ensemble, brushing and landing in fifth. So we have changement, 2, 3, 4, brush, ensemble over. 4 changes and a brush ensemble. Let's give that one a try. nice dancers. Be sure you practice and stretch each and every day and take good care. Thanks for logging in. See you next time.